Neurons, believe it or not, are super important to who we are. They help transmit signals inside of our bodies to function. But how do they work? Neuron cells start with getting chemical signals from other neurons. In little gaps called synapses, chemicals called neurotransmitters fly over to the new cell. Think of this kind of like passengers flying to a new airport. These signals travel down pathways called dendrites, which are then converted into an electrical signal by the cell's soma, the body and nucleus that controls all of its functions. They calculate electricity by pumping sodium and potassium ions through channels to change the charge of the cell body surface. You can imagine this like those flight screens which calculate people's terminals and tell them where to go. The signals, which by the way are called action potentials, then travel down a huge branch called the axon, which can be as long as 3 feet. Likewise, airports can be as big as 38 square miles. That's a lot of distance, so to go faster, sheets of myelin cover parts of the axon. These are like those cool conveyor walkways that speed people up in airports. Whee! Our electric travelers then split paths to go to their airplane terminals, which are called axon terminals in this case. They're converted back into chemicals to fly through the synapse to the next neuron. Repeat this cycle until they get to their destination. Why is this important? I see you asking on the other side of the screen. Why? This is how you breathe, move, and think. And studying neuron talk help us solve big problems like how to make good prosthetics. MIT has just made a leg that by receiving electrical signals from neurons in a patient's gastrocnemius muscles was able to help 60 patients walk more normal again. The world of neuroscience is vast and huge, so go explore it yourself.